Make a great choice today with the 2021 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.